10 o'clock, night before, headed to Florida, getting the car all loaded up. Kennedy just showed up. Enrique's coming tomorrow morning before we leave. So we're getting the tanks thing all loaded up right now. And boys, we've got a 22-hour drive ahead of us. Kennedy, you ready for 22 hours? Of pure happiness?
Nap time.
Nap time or snap time? Look who has joined us!
Early for this.
Shout out Enrique! So first small stop, we're not even that far, but we had to get some caffeine. So we're in Childress. Dude, do you always stop here when you go to Dallas? We always stop here.
I've seen y'all stop here.
We literally stop at this gas station every time, but it's a good little stop. It's like 2 hours in. Get some caffeine. It's only like, what is it? Is it 6 a.m. already? Give us the time update. Oh shoot, it's already 7. Damn, we gotta get going. Check this out. Boom! 169 for diesel. You already know the deal. We had to stop at Buc-ee's when we're in Dallas. I love this place. Shout out Streetcar Joe for the cookies. You're on vlog mode. I think it's recording. Yeah. It's a bad idea.
That's what we have. The auto master here.
Oh, okay. It's 28?
Yeah, we've got it on our side.
Oh, okay.
Guys, if you're welcome to look all you like. I'm 2 people short today, but I'll be right back with you, okay? Please make yourself at home.
Okay, sounds good.
If you're happy to do it.
Ouchie. Damn, that's the extra high one. It's got stereo, babe.
Where's my bathroom and shower?
It's got a, look, there's coat hanger.
Oh, nice.
We officially made to Shreveport, Louisiana, getting some diesel in the world's slowest pump ever. Got some super authentic Cajun food. Look at this shrimp and grits. Woo! Oh boy, that's gonna hurt the stomach in about 20 minutes. Look at that. What'd you get? Fried chicken?
Fried chicken, rice.
Man.
I got black eyed peas, cornbread.
Yeah, this is super Cajun. So we're gonna eat this real quick at the gas station while we're getting diesel.
Romantic.
With Enrique. And then we're hopping right back on the road.
Just taking a nice little pit stop.
Would it be a race day or a race week without a flat top?
Oh no.
Not the bearing. You know, we almost bought a new trailer today.
Why didn't we, David?
Well, they took too long. We didn't have time.
It's gonna take all day to buy one.
Problem is now I gotta go buy a spare because if we get another flat tire, we're screwed.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Which is what I was worried about. That fall out.
Right on the beautiful highway.
Almost to Monroe.
Almost.
Put this in. Never fails, does it, Enrique? Call us freaking NASCAR. We had that shit changed in 2 minutes.
Hey man, we got it done. Back on the road.
That's right, baby.
Yes, sir.
So we're gonna go get another spare because we plan to drive through the night. So we don't want to get caught without a spare at nighttime. And we do have an extra bearing in case a bearing happens, but I'll take a flat tire over a bearing or axle any day. Right, Enrique?
Yes, sir. Sure.
Shout out Ken Dog, already found us a spare. So we're gonna go get a spare tire from this local tire place, get it installed, and we're gonna keep going. You know the deal. Take an L streetcar. See? My streetcar goes through the drive-thru, people. Proof. Taco Bell. Streetcar. It's on a trailer. Does that count?
No.
Damn, alright. No points for Dave.
Yeah, it's the GT500.
I see that, that's sick.
Yeah, Amir just finished the grill.
Ooh, painted to match?
Yeah.
That's sick.
So, Amir,
What size are those?
here's one of the main building. 66s. Bullseye.
That's clean. Is the exhaust go all the way back?
Yeah, all
Yeah, all the way back.
Damn. That's legit.
I mean, I can start it in here. If you're cool with that.
Kill us all.
But yeah. I wish I had a better light, but
No, you're good.
No, that's good.
Damn, whoever powder coated that.
It got it doesn't sound like supercar.
Yeah, it's quiet.
It's really
No,
quiet.
it's loud. It sounds like an NA car.
Yeah.
You can't hear the turbos,
Really?
nothing.
I mean, 3
Freak
inches.
some people, dude.
Yeah.
That's freaking low
Yeah.
key.
All the little high schoolers are checking out your car, David.
Yeah, I was established for sure right now. It was like one of those high schoolers early. I was like, oh my
It
god.
was so funny because the other day we saw your car and I showed it to him. Look, that's a good idea. I'll put the exhaust out, you know?
It's easy.
And I sent him a picture of the car, my car, and I was like, I wish I would have made it, but couldn't finish the car.
So where are y'all from?
Louisiana.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah, full AC, full everything.
Yeah, navigation, leather seats.
Must be nice.
That's a
Oh.
fully loaded
We don't have
car,
that
you know?
luxury.
Not AC, it's 2 windows.
Yeah, exactly.
I don't know. It just it was a requirement. So
So you guys doing the roll racing with it?
Yeah, trying to.
Yeah. What class?
It's
So
our
you're
first
going
time
trash.
going there, so. Yeah.
Shit's man, that thing's a sleeper,
we got
dude. Is this part of your service?
Heck yeah, man.
How much you charge?
I'm only gonna do the driver's side. 'Cause that's all I need.
That's messed up. I want to be able to see out the side.
Man, you going to sleep.
True. So it's 2 a.m. No, it's 2:30. It's 2:30 a.m. Tallahassee, Florida. It's muggy. It's humid. And we're about 4 hours away still from Bradenton. Bradenton is way down there. It's like south of Tampa. So. Yeah, it's one of the. These are the high flow diesel pumps. These things go fast. So, just this will be the last time we have to fill up, which will at least get us to our destination. So, just topped off some fuel. Look at that, 18 gallons, and that took like 30 seconds. It was awesome. Yes, I want a receipt, fool. Receipt printing. Thank you. Oh. Jeez. The old tank's thing getting a little dirty. So if you guys don't already do this, you should always check your straps. Pretty much at every stop. Check all the tires. They're still looking pretty good. Check the front straps. Done pretty good. Oh look, you're cleaning the passenger side. How nice of you.
I barely reached.
This guy needs a ladder.
I do.
So, I don't know. Are we gonna try and make it, or what are we gonna do? What's the plan here?
Going all the way.
Enrique got to take a little nap there. So, I think we're gonna try and make it. And the track on Thursday, which is technically Thursday already, they have roll racing today. So pretty much our plan is to go to the track when they open around 8 a.m., try and get a spot. And we'll park the trailer, and then we'll leave it there, and then we'll take the truck and go to the hotel and do whatever we're going to do and just kind of hang out Thursday. We'll probably go back, watch some roll racing, so there'll be some really fast cars. But Friday is when drag racing starts. We have to tech in, go through tech Friday morning, do some testing, and then do some qualifying Friday evening, and then qualifying Saturday also, and then drag racing Sunday. The drive back is going to be brutal. So, we'll update you guys when we actually arrive in Bradenton. Boom! 6:58. Bradenton, Florida. We have made it. So, our hotel's like over there somewhere, but we can't get in quite yet, obviously, because it's super early. But we did make it to Bradenton, Florida. And so, we're going to probably go get some food, and then probably head to the track, maybe sleep in the truck for a little bit, but we're headed to the track, get the trailer dropped off, at least see if we can get a spot. But we did make it to Bradenton, Florida, so hopefully we got a good weekend ahead of us. Hopefully make some good hits in the tank, but hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Day 1, FL2K, we made it. It took us about 25-ish plus hours with stops and food and getting a flat tire on the trailer, getting that one replaced. It was interesting, but we made it. Huge thanks to Enrique and Kennedy helping out again here, and see what happens. Hope you guys subscribe to the channel. We'll see you guys on the next one. 'Cause I'm a Florida man with a Texas plan.
Oh shit. That's spectator game.
The spectator game.